Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I will be guiding you through how to use Tinder on your iPhone for beginners. Tinder is a popular dating app that allows you to connect with people in your area based on mutual interest and preferences. Whether you're looking for a casual hookup or a meaningful relationship, Tinder provides a platform to meet new people and potentially find a match. So let's get started. Step 1. Downloading and installing Tinder. Go ahead and tap Open your App Store on your iPhone. In the search box at the top, type in Tinder. Tap on the Get button or the Download button once you see the Tinder dating application in the search result. Wait for the app to download and install on your iPhone. Once the app is downloaded and installed, tap on Open to open the app and follow through the instructions. Step 2. Creating an account. Once you've opened up the Tinder application after installing it on your iPhone, you will be prompted to sign in with your Facebook account, Apple account, or with your phone number. Select any one option from the display. To sign in with phone number, select Sign in with phone number. Select your country code from the drop-down and enter a phone number and follow through the instructions to complete the account creation process. This will involve verifying your phone number. You will receive an SMS code sent to you on the phone number that you entered. Enter the code that you received, and you will then be prompted to enter your email. Type in a valid email address you would like to set up for your account and click Next. You can also sign in with ease by linking in your Apple ID to Tinder. Tap on Continue with Apple in order to do so. Or you can skip this step by tap and skip at the top right. Now, agree to the terms and conditions of Tinder by tapping I agree at the bottom. On the next page, you will need to enter your first name. Tap on Next after you are done. Enter your birthday information, enter your birth date, month, and year, and tap Next. Select your sexual orientation or skip this step and select what you are interested in seeing on the platform. Once you are done, tap Next. Use the slider to set up the maximum distance you would like potential matches to be located and tap on Next. Select some of the compatibility traits you would like to include in your search. After completing through all of the steps, you will then need to add in your recent pictures. Tap the plus icon in the boxes, add in your recent pictures, and then allow necessary permissions for the app. You can now start a quick tutorial for your Tinder experience, and you will be able to land in the main homepage of Tinder. Step 3. Set up your profile. After creating an account, you will need to set up your profile. Go to the bottom right-hand corner and click on your profile icon. Now, you can go ahead and click on the pencil icon right next to your profile picture in order to edit your information, add more pictures, and fill in the information on this page such as your interests, relationship goals, language you know, and other information about you. You can also connect your Tinder account with Instagram and Spotify. Step 4. Adjust discovery preferences. To set up your discovery preference, tap on the human icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on the gear icon at the top right hand corner from your profile page. Scroll down and here you can adjust your search criteria including age range, distance, and gender preferences. Go ahead and make the adjustments according to your need. Step 5. Start swiping. Now that your profile is set up, you can start swiping through potential matches. Swipe right if you're interested in someone. Similarly, if you're not interested in someone, you can swipe them left. If someone you've swiped right also swipes right on your profile, it's a match and you can start chatting with them. Step 6. Explore additional features. Tinder also offers additional features such as Tinder Plus and Tinder Gold for enhanced functionality. You can also explore features like Super Like, which allows you to show extra interest in someone's profile. Once you match with someone, you can now start a conversation. So that is how you can easily get familiar with Tinder. If you ever want to get rid of the account or if you want to delete your account, you can reach out to the profile icon at the bottom right and tap on settings at the top right hand corner. Under the settings menu, scroll all the way down and get to the delete account option at the bottom. Tap on delete account and you can then choose either you'd like to pause your account for a matter of time or completely delete your account. To delete your account, tap on delete my account and follow through the prompts. Select a reason why you'd like to delete of the account and tap on delete my account on the next page. Soon after you do that, you will now be able to get rid of Tinder account if you no longer wish to continue using it as well. So that was how you can easily use Tinder on your iPhone as a beginner. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.